Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You will start by creating a Wi-Fi environment that forces the switch to open its hidden browser. On your phone or laptop, enable a hotspot with a captive portal or simple login page. This triggers the switch browser when it joins. Make sure the switch is updated and in airplane mode with Wi-Fi turned back on so it doesn't auto-join another network. Once the hotspot is discoverable, move to the console and join that network to prompt the browser reader. After joining the hotspot, the switch should display a captive portal page or a browser view. If it doesn't, open any game with online features and try connecting again to force the redirect. Once the browser is visible, tap the address bar and enter Google.com to use search, Gmail, or web apps. Keep movement minimal. If the switch returns to network settings, reopen the portal. Make sure the hotspot remains active and your phone doesn't sleep while browsing. To finish, close the browser and disconnect from the temporary hotspot, then reconnect to your regular Wi-Fi. If you didn't see a redirect, try changing the hotspot to require a simple login page or use a different phone. Some carriers block captive pages. If the browser crashes or stays stuck, reboot the switch and repeat the hotspot join process. One key tip: if pages fail to load, ensure the hotspot allows HTTP traffic and that mobile data isn't blocking captive portals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.